You know it's kind of funny how a room full of things feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find, a peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way, the way our world.
What is our purpose in life? That is a question I'm sure that many people here tonight ask themselves on a daily basis. People spend their whole life searching for that answer, and some of us are lucky enough to figure it out. This was something I was not sure I was ever going to have an answer to. People are placed in our lives for specific reasons, to teach us, to guide us, to help us, and to show us a different way to view the world. It's our duty to not only be aware of the people and blessings that are sent to us, but also to understand that sometimes we are the ones sent into other people's lives for specific reasons. I was never really sure what my purpose was or why I was put here, and then you came along. And after meeting Elliot, little by little everything became more clear, and why I was put here on this earth. Now I stand here before you saying that I vow to be the best man that I can be, to always love you, to always try to make you smile through the good times and the bad and all the ups and downs, to be the best role model to our son, and finally to be someone that you will both be proud to call yours. I love you still, always have, and I always will.
It's very full circle to me that we are here at Christine and Matt's getting married, because it was here that you told me you wanted to marry me. I was asleep in Emmy's bed and you were rapping in the garage till 5 a.m. When you came upstairs, your hands were icicles and you woke me up to tell me that I was going to be your wife. 9 months ago, I cried to you saying I don't know how I'm going to get through this day. I didn't think I could, and you told me day by day, and then I yelled at you. But then you said second by second and breath by breath, and now here we are. And I honestly can't believe it. Sometime back, you told me that we're just living life, baby. That has never left my head. The best feeling in the world is the complete comfort and contentment I have every single day of the week. It's the safest and best feeling. I love that our home is always filled with music and dance parties and nacho tables and rap battles. I love being a stoop kid. I love music and dances in the kitchen. I love our mundane Monday through Thursday suburban life. You don't plan the excited feeling of wanting to talk to someone every day, but it has never left me. I also didn't plan for my Jeep to break down and no one could pick me up but you, and I had E with me. I remember panicking because I was not ready. Listening to him tell you that you're just like Thomas the Choo Choo, and being able to witness you two fall in love with each other makes my heart burst. He doesn't remember life before you, but he can tell you every single thing about the day you two met, complete with the Slurpees. I just didn't know he thought I picked the car repair guy. I didn't ask you to love him, but it has been such an honor watching my soul living outside my body and the men I love fall in love with each other. Thank you for being my touchstone. Thank you for letting me wash my hair without scheduling time. Thank you for helping me become the best possible version of myself, even if you can't get the petty out. Thomas, I'm so excited for so many more late nights, starting with Flip Cup and ending with lying in the driveway asking questions like, why astronauts don't age if they're still going through time. Thank you for calling me 38 times at Herbert's bachelor party and giving me no choice but to marry my best friend and the very best dad that ever existed. How lucky are we to get to be loved by you? You made my dream come alive, and I love you always.
I, Gabby, give you, Thomas, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment with this ring, I thee wed.
I, Gabby, give you, Thomas, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed.
Thomas, I, Thomas, give you, Gabby, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed.
I, Thomas, where am I ring? Give you, Gabby, this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed.
Well, folks, then by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And for the first time as a married couple,